Hello, in front of me I've got POCO M5. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap More button and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree and Continue, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. OK Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy with a high of 55 and a low of 47.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.